Hello, my name is Nedumaran, son of Kaliappan. A leadership is something or someone that leads a team or person to success or achieve a goal. And how I apply this in my role, I help my team and I motivate them to achieve something more or achieve a particular goal. How do I want to develop it further? Is I motivate my team, I give them advice when they need it, and most importantly, I want to create a teamwork among us so whatever challenge we face, we will manage to overcome together and we will success together. So recently I got a new knowledge that is a cybersecurity that I learned in a certificate program under Cisco Academy. So I daily use this knowledge because every time I need to click an agreement or need to do an online transfer or any messages I got from online, I make sure it's a legit, not a scam or anything. So this kind of helps me in make sure I never fall in a scam or not no third party is watching what I'm doing. This knowledge helps me and helps everyone around me because I'm always tell them what they need to be aware of and what they need to do to be in the safe side. There was a time I was a volunteer in a coastal cleanup program and I got the role as a leader where I need to watch over 30 students. So the challenging part of that day was I need to clean up the entire beach in less than 3 hours. So I assigned each member a job and each one a task to do it, and less than 3 hours we completed cleaning the beach. So the best part was I got to know everyone and I managed to handle 30 students in less than 3 hours. We end up cleaning up the beach. What motivates me to pursue a career in this field, because I always know the gaming industry has a future, because all the games that we played outdoor became an indoor games right now that we play inside the laptop or mobile, and this shows how much the technology have grown. And I know in the future the gaming industry will transform itself in VR gaming, and that's what I want to learn and that's what I want to do. And how I navigate myself in these up and downs, I always see the positive side of the gaming world, where there's always a chance to us to fight back, and it's easier for me to understand the games inside the laptop more than the outside the laptop. And the up and downs, well, for nowadays, I'm seeing only the ups in the gaming industry, where the things are getting more easier for me to understand, and this is a chance for me to learn something new in this life. One of the projects that I'm proud of myself is drone security system. This is a project that I did myself. The function of this project is the security guard has to control the drone to do the patrol all over the places, and all it only needs to monitor the patrol via app or via web. This is a complicated project because this project is never done by anyone, and I have to do it by myself from the coding and from the hardware systems. I have to buy a tele EDU drone and I have to change all the codings inside the drone, and I have to connect the drone with my web and the app, and it took me almost 6 months to program it well. After that, I did all the documentations, and while testing, I had some difficulties because the drone couldn't connect to the phone, and the signals always been a weak one. But some after some struggles, the project was a success, and I'm proud of my project because this is one of the project I did from the scratch without any kind of help, and in the end of the day, I succeed this project.